What's a cornerless garden grid and when would you ever need one? If you're not familiar, the garden grid is a pre-assembled, full coverage garden watering system that surrounds all of your plants at soil level with water. Our standard garden grids are designed to fit in square or rectangular garden beds, and of course in our garden in minutes raised garden beds perfectly. They water your garden from corner to corner, end to end, taking the guesswork and hassle out of garden irrigation. But what do you do if you already have a raised garden bed that has corner posts that would get in the way of the garden grid? Or you have a different brand of raised garden bed that rounds its corners, not giving you a complete corner to grow in? This is where the Cornerless Garden Grid really comes in handy. Cornerless Garden Grids have open corners to accommodate the posts or the rounded corners of non-Garden in Minutes brand raised garden beds. And the two sides of that open corner still water into that area so you can grow something in the available space. Now, just because your raised garden bed has a corner post or a curved corner doesn't necessarily mean you need to use a cornerless garden grid. You always want to check your raised garden bed dimensions on the interior and find the best fitting garden grid for it. We have all the dimensions listed for our standard garden grids and our cornerless garden grids. That way you can find the perfect match. Or just simplify and use a Garden in Minutes raised garden bundle. It comes with our metal raised garden bed, garden grid watering system, and garden grid manifold, all perfectly sized for each other. That way starting your best garden is effortless.